The combo here of the holographic sight and the telescopic sight is 3 pieces, and you need 3 different screws for it. 2 M4 by 30 millimeters long to mount this piece, and then the holo sight to the stock, and then 1 M3 by 20, which will make up the hinge here for the telescopic sight so that you can actually flip it out of the way and whatnot. Now let's switch over to our preview here of how it looks when it's sliced. This is the orientation that I have determined works out the best for printing these parts. And of course, once again, we're using tree supports with a 15-degree threshold angle. However, I did have to go and manually paint in some support on the battery housing portion of the holographic sight so that it will actually stick to the build plate and print properly. As for other settings, once again, these will be listed in text form there on printables. We're using the standard 0.2 millimeter layer height with the scarf seam at the nearest seam position. And for strength, we're using 3 wall loops with 4 top shell layers, 4 bottom shell, 25% sparse infill density within the rectilinear pattern. We're using monotonic surface patterns for both the top and bottom. And speed is all at default. And we already talked about the support. And that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoy this model as well as have some fun using your KobraVR gun stock.